Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Gohar Publishers. This is Hamna Binte Shehzad. Our motto is redefining the geography of education through digital resources for conceptual learning. Dear teachers and dear students, आज के इस वीडियो लेसन में हम देखेंगे इंग्लिश फॉर द ग्रेड 8 का यूनिट नंबर 2 एंड द टाइटल ऑफ यूनिट इज सादिया गेट्स रिवॉर्ड। अच्छा, अब इस स्टोरी के नाम से ही जाहिर हो रहा है कि किस कहानी में एक लड़की होगी सादिया। अब वो सादिया को इनाम मिला होगा, ठीक है, यानी कि सादिया को इनाम मिला है। लेकिन अब हमने इस कहानी को पढ़ के देखना है कि सादिया को वो इनाम क्यों मिला, सादिया ने ऐसा क्या काम किया कि उसको वो इनाम मिला। लेकिन इसको को रीड करने से पहले मुझे आपसे ये पूछना है कि कभी आपने कोई ऐसा काम किया है अपनी लाइफ में कि आपको इनाम मिला हो। मुझसे ज़रूर आपने शेयर करना है कि अगर आपने ऐसा कोई काम किया है, और ये भी बताना है कि जो आपको इनाम मिला है वो क्या था। क्या वो कोई बुक थी, कोई आपकी स्टेशनरी चीज़ थी, क्या था, या आपकी कोई पसंद की चीज़ थी, क्या था, वो मुझे बताना है। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं रीडिंग। सादिया वॉज ओनली 14 years old. She was thin and pale and looked more like a 10-year-old child. The older servant treated her unkindly. They made her do the washing and cleaning all day long. One morning, the housekeeper made her scrub the front steps. As soon as she had finished, the cook ordered her to wash up the cups and the saucers. Sadia was hungry and tired. She had only a slice of bread and a cup of tea for breakfast. So while she was whipping a cup, she dropped it and broke into many pieces. "You clumsy fool," scolded the cook. "This is expensive china. You will have to pay for it. Break another cup and you will have no money to take home this weekend." "I'm sorry, ma'am. I'll be more careful, ma'am," said Sadia. She was almost in tears. As he was sweeping up the broken pieces, the kitchen door opened suddenly. The door hit the bottom handle and the glass in the door fell with a loud crash. "How clumsy can you be?" shouted the woman who pushed open the door. "Didn't you have eyes to see I was coming in?" She was the assistant housekeeper and she was fiercer than the cook. I'm sorry, ma'am," said Sadia. In between not say so, she also knew that the breakage had cost her more than a week's pay. The next piece of work Sadia had to do that morning was to dust the study. "Make sure that you dust everything carefully," said the housekeeper sternly. "If you break anything again, you will have nothing to eat for the rest of the day." Carefully, Sadia cleaned and dusted each and every one of the ornaments in the room. She counted them. There were 25 pieces, all beautifully made and very expensive. When she had finished dusting them, she heaved a sigh of relief. "I can now rest a little," she said. Then, looking around, she caught sight of a beautiful picture on the wall. She went near to it and had a closer look. There was some dust on the frame, so she dusted it. Suddenly, a big spider crawled out from behind the frame and dropped onto her right arm. She screamed and tried to fling away. In doing so, her arm knocked against the wood. It toppled over and rolled off the table. Sadia caught it just as it was about to crash on the floor. The accident caused her heart to thump loudly. She walked to the window and sat by it, her legs weak and trembling. To calm herself, she looked out of the window and watched the passengers. Among the people she noticed was a man leading a big bear. "What a fierce looking bear," said Sadia, and she watched the man and his bear until they were out of sight. In those days, some people made a living by training bears to dance and to do tricks in the streets. People watching the show always gave the owner of the bear some money after the show. The bear Sadia saw was one of those performing bears. They were tame when their owners were around, but would attack people if their owners were away. Sadia felt better now, and she continued to clean the room. Suddenly, Sadia heard a loud growl coming from the street. She hurried to the window. There in the street was the fierce-looking bear again, but it was running down the street without its master. The chain around its neck had also disappeared. I hope आपको आज का वीडियो लेसन पसंद आया होगा। एक नए वीडियो लेसन के साथ हम फिर मिलेंगे, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।